India has one of the world's largest railway networks, carrying millions of passengers every day. We bring you 10 interesting facts about the Indian Railways. Fastest and slowest train. The New Delhi-Bhopal Shatabdi Express is the fastest train in India. The train runs at an average speed of 91 km per hour and touches a top speed of 150 km per hour on the 195 km Delhi-Agra stretch. The Nilgiri Express, with an average speed of 10 km per hour, has the distinction of being India's slowest train. Longest route and shortest run. The Vivek Express from Dibrugarh to Kanyakumari travels 4,273 km, making it the longest run in terms of total time and distance. Train services between Nagpur and Ajni, situated just 3 km apart, form the shortest route. The scheduled services are primarily meant for crew to travel from Nagpur station to the workshop at Ajni. Longest non-stop run and most halts. The Trivandrum Nizamuddin Rajdhani Express that travels the 528 km stretch between Vadodara and Kota non-stop comes at the top. The Howrah Amritsar Express has the most number of halts at 115. 2 stations, 1 location. Sri Rampur and Belapur are 2 different stations in Maharashtra's Ahmednagar district at the same location on the railway route but on opposite sides of the track. Least punctual train. The Guwahati-Trivandrum Express is said to be the most unreliable long-distance Indian train. There is an average delay of 10 to 12 hours per trip on the scheduled journey time of 65 hours and 5 minutes. Longest and shortest station names. The record for the longest station name, Venkata Narasimha Raju Varipetta, on the Arakonam Renugunta section near Chennai. The shortest station names are Ib near Jharsuguda in Odisha and Od near Anand in Gujarat. The oldest loco. India's oldest working locomotive is the Fairy Queen, manufactured in 1855. It is also the oldest functioning steam engine in the world. Tunnel track. The longest rail tunnel in India is the Pir Panjal Tunnel at a length of 11.215 kilometers. It was completed in December 2012 in J&K. Potty Train Ing. Toilets were introduced in 1909 in the lower classes of trains in India after a letter by one Okhil Babu that described the ordeal he faced owing to absence of lavatories. Longest platform. The world's longest railway platform is in Gorakhpur. It measures 1.35 kilometers.